Hi there, let's take a look at ICP. We'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, check out the short-term trend, so you know whether there's an opportunity for a bounce. From a Wyckoff perspective, ICP is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. The next stage we are waiting to show up is the sign of strength. Typically, it means the volume will be higher than average, and the price goes back to challenge the previous automatic rally level. In this case, is between the green T level of 4.35 and light blue T level of 5.18. As of this moment, the weekly volume has declined to a pretty low level. Right? If we look across here, it's almost the lowest level if we count from 2024. Okay, if we count further back, that's already the previous accumulation cycle. So the volume itself has said to us we are at a similar period of time as in the previous accumulation cycle. Remember, this is education content only, not financial advice. The most important weekly support level is still the 2.05. So we have been talking about this red key level for a couple of weeks. All right. This is also the same level set by the October 10th tariff announcement date last year. The major resistance level remains 2.8. But when we get to the daily chart, we'll see something in more detail. Now, the trade itself has exited the downtrend, okay, the very short-term downtrend. We've mentioned about the potential of this downtrend getting, being broken. Let's put it this way: the ceiling being broken by the middle of August. Okay, it happened sooner than that because it happened right between our sessions. So if we draw a line over here, we will notice it was a higher low situation, okay? Because we had our last session on the 4th. It was just bouncing off from the ceiling back then. So we don't see what happened over here. So given this push with increased volume, that means the bulls have gained strength. You see this pin, right? The pin shape or the hammer. Okay, that's the technical way to say it. If you see a false hammer, that means the bulls are gaining strength, pushing the price up. And that's, at least in the short term, is a positive sign. And however, once that it gets past, right before the 10th, we see this gap, this wedge over here, the bulls pushed out above the 2.24 resistance level. Remember this dashed line we talked about in the past session? It's not a key level. So whenever you've got a stronger momentum, it's very easy to go through. Yesterday, the bears hammered very hard. You see an even higher volume in a very long wick from above 2.28. Okay, so it's again a similar level. If we look at what happened in the past trade, right? You see a lot of these candles, especially this one on June 5th. It stopped right over there. It closed there. It dropped very close to the red key level. The bulls fought back, and in the end, it closed over here. And back in April 2026 this year, right? That's also the resistance level. And that's where the current mini rally has taken a pause right over there. So has the uptrend finished? If we draw a channel box instead of using that dash line, if this is the current channel with the ceiling and the bottom behaving the ceiling and capturing the wicks of the two candles yesterday and the day before, and also these lows, this is still a young trend. So we may still have to adjust later on, but assuming that's the case, it is getting very close to 2 points. two 2C's decision point. One is around the 13th in 2 days time. That's the first wedge over here. And then the other is close to the 16th or somewhere around the 15th. Okay, somewhere around here, either 15th or 16th. These two wedges provide an opportunity for the bulls to confirm whether they're going to push up and re-challenge this resistance of 2.28 or 2.3. And once again, go back to challenge the ceiling of the ascending or rising channel. Okay. And if it really happens in a way that it continues, that extends to almost near the end of August, when it comes to challenge the 2.56, the next resistance above the 2.3. In between, there is one level. All these are short-term levels, remember, okay? Look at the previous frequent activities. Let me change the color for just a quick moment. This red or pink line over here. You see these candles crossing, a little bit overlapping the head and tail. And then this wick over here, these bunch of candles finding support at this level, these finding resistance, and support, resistance, support. So again, the activity since February this year tell us this is a resistance before even getting to this 2.56. What is this level? 2.41, 2.42. All right, so if it successfully breaks the 2.3, the next to challenge is the 2.42 level. Right now, I can change it back. This is the situation of ICP. So let me know in the comment whether you think this trend, this rising trend will continue, or is it going to change in a few days' time, dropping back to challenge the 2.05. You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member, so join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.